Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's video, I'm going to show you how the amazing seasoning works in Heartopia game. Okay, let's get into it guys. Amazing seasoning is one of the items that you can purchase at the Masimos cooking store. And you can unlock this item only after you reach level 6 in your cooking hobby. Once you have level 6, you can purchase this item, amazing seasoning. And basically, guys, you can use this amazing seasoning item to boost the stars on your meal. So it will increase the chance or the possibility to get 5-star food in the game. And I'm going to try it. Okay, I'm going to make, for example, this spring day grape black tea. Oops. Oh, my sugar is running out. So let's try another meal. Okay, I'm going to make savory popcorn bucket. I'm going to apply the amazing seasoning. Okay, and I hope that it can really guarantee 5 stars on my meal. Okay, don't forget to adjust the heat level as soon as possible. It will boost the star as well. Oh, I just got 2 stars, so I think it it didn't work for 5 stars, but yeah, we can try it. And okay guys, that's how the amazing seasoning item works in Heartopia game. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.